Hi children, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about long division. In maths, division means splitting into equal parts or groups. You probably use division law in your daily life even if you don't realize it. Did anybody remember what does dad, mother, sister and brother means? Dad, D stands for division. Mother, M stands for multiplication. Sister, S stands for subtraction. And brother, B stands for bring down. If you follow these 4 steps, long division is very easy for you. Before we look into the division problem, we need to understand 2 basic definitions. They are divisor and dividend. For an example, 74 is a dividend, divided by 3 is a divisor. Now, we are going to look at the first step. Division is opposite of multiplication. So, here you have to think of the multiplication facts. Let's see the operation in action. We begin with the digit largest place value in dividend, which is 7. Can we evenly divide 7 by 3? How many times can 3 go into 7? We have to find out the closest number to 7 without going over. In this case, it's 2 times because 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times is too high since 3 times 3 is 9. That is over. Now, place your 2 above the 7 because 3 goes into 7 2 times. Now, the 2 becomes the first part of your question. The question is the answer in division. You have just completed the divide. Now, we'll move on to multiply. Next step is multiply. We want to multiply 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. We do this because we said that 3 can go into 7 times, but now we have to find out how close to 7 we can get. So, we multiply. That was a really simple steps. Now, we want to move on subtract. Now that we know how many times 3 goes into 7, we have to subtract to see the difference between the numbers. Good, we know that 7 subtract 6 is 1. Leave your 1 in its spot because we are going to use it for the bring down process. When you bring down, you are moving the second part of your dividend into your workspace. Wow, you have just completed every steps of DMSB. But wait, there's more. We now have a new number that is 14 and we have to start all over again. How many times can 3 go into 14? We want to find out the closest number to 14 without going over. In this case, it's 4 times because 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times is too high since 3 times 5 is 15. Now, place your 4 above the 4 because 3 goes into 14 4 times. The 4 becomes the second part of your question. You are almost done. You have just completed the divide. Now, we'll move on to multiply. We want to multiply 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. We do this because we said that 3 can go into 14 4 times. But now we have to find out how close to 14 we can get. So we multiply. That was a really simple steps. Now we want to move on subtract. Now that we know how many times 3 goes into 14, we have to subtract to see the difference between the numbers. We know that 14 subtract 12 is 2. Leave your 2 in its spots because we are going to use it for the bring down process. When you bring down, you are moving the next part of your dividend into your workspace. But wait, there's nothing to bring down. It's okay since there is no more numbers in your dividend to be added into your workspace, so you're almost done. Here is the solution for the division problem should look like. 24 is a question and R is remainder. Okay kids, these are the example how the long division works. Please try similar steps into other division problem. Till then, we will catch up in next lesson. Bye.